Did you know a man once tried to save his car company with a cocaine deal and nearly got away with it? John DeLorean built one of the most iconic cars in American history. Stainless steel body, gull-wing doors, pure ambition made metal. But by 1982, his company was drowning, weeks from total collapse, hundreds of millions in debt. So he made a decision that changed everything. FBI cameras caught him inside a California hotel room, holding a briefcase stuffed with 55 pounds of cocaine. He looked at it and said it was better than gold. He thought one deal would save everything. It didn't. He was arrested. The evidence looked airtight. The footage was right there on tape. But his lawyers argued the government had created the crime, that federal agents had pushed a desperate man into a trap he never would have walked into alone. The jury agreed. John DeLorean walked free. The case rewrote how courts think about entrapment, and legal scholars are still arguing about it today. The world needs more true stories. Follow me and see you in the next one.